In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts and snapshots in Gohighlevel in 2026. We'll begin by opening Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you want to check is that you're working from agency view. This is important because sub-accounts are managed at the agency level, not from inside an individual account. If you're not already there, switch over by clicking the option to move into agency view. After that, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Subaccounts. This is where you can create and manage all client or internal business accounts under your agency. From there, click Create Subaccount to start the setup process. You'll then be asked to choose a template. If you want to build everything from the ground up, choose the blank template option. This is ideal if you want full control over the account structure from the start. Once that's selected, click Select and Continue. Next, type in the country so the platform can pull location details. Then pick an address from the available results and click Next. This helps pre-fill some of the business information and makes the setup a little faster. Now you'll move into the main account details. Enter the first name, last name, and email for the account. Then add the business name. Continue by filling in the address, city, country, and zip code. After that, enter the website and select the correct time zone. Make sure the time zone is accurate, since this can affect scheduling, automations, and communication timing later on. You'll also see an option labeled This is my own account. Select that if this sub-account is for your own business rather than a client. Once everything looks correct, click Add Sub-account. With the sub-account created, the next part is snapshots. Go to Account Snapshots, then click Snapshot Templates. Snapshots are useful because they let you launch an account with a pre-built structure instead of starting from zero every time. That can include things like funnels, workflows, settings, and other assets depending on the template you choose. From the Snapshot Templates page, select the template that fits your needs. Once you've chosen one, click Create Subaccount. From there, just follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. And that's it. You now know how to create a Gohighlevel sub-account manually, and also how to create one using a snapshot template for a faster setup. If you're setting up multiple accounts, snapshots can save a huge amount of time and help keep your systems consistent across every account.